Understanding Empty Calories, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase used in nutrition and everyday conversation: empty calories. If you're curious about what this means and how you can use it in your daily English, stay tuned. Empty calories refer to foods or drinks that provide energy mainly in the form of calories but lack essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber. These are typically found in processed snacks, sugary beverages, and fast food. Understanding this term is not only useful for language learning but also for making healthier dietary choices. Let's see how empty calories is used in sentences. I try to avoid drinks with empty calories, like soda. That cake may taste good, but it's full of empty calories. These examples show how the phrase can be used to discuss diet and nutrition in everyday English. Understanding terms like empty calories is crucial for English learners because it helps you engage in conversations about health and wellness, a common topic in many English-speaking countries. It also enriches your vocabulary with phrases that native speakers often use. We hope this video has been informative and helps you confidently use and understand the term empty calories in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the culture and common expressions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.